Next, ang programang tumutulong sa pagpapakilala ng mga namumuhunang Pinoy dala ang kwento ng pag-asa, pagbangon at pag-asenso para sa milyong mga Pilipino. Ito pa rin ang Pro Pinoy. Higit sa programa, ito ay isang advokasya. At kasama na natin live sa ating studio ang founder at strategic business head ng Sense and Style, Mr. Vincent Ryan Rayos. Good morning.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for having me here, Kong and Joanna. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
Vincent Ryan Rayos.
Rayos.
Yes po.
Ang ganda ng pangalan, ano?
Mabango din.
Salamat.
Ang bango ng pangalan.
Yes.
Thank you, Mama.
Vincent, how do they call you?
They call me Ryan po.
Mas
Ryan.
maganda kasi, mas class kasi yung Ryan kaysa
Ryan.
Vincent. Tanggalin na natin yung Vincent. Ryan.
Ryan na lang, Ryan.
Ryan O'Neill.
Ryan.
Ryan.
So Ryan,
Kwento.
bakit
Yes
ka
po,
napadpad sa negosyong ito?
Sent.
Well, actually, Kong, itong business po na to is actually, before we start this, 7 years in the making yan. So ngayon 8 years kasi nag 1 year na kami. So paborito ko po talaga yung yung perfume. I really love perfume. I started with Aqua di Jo. So from there, nag-start ako mag-collect ng ng mga perfumes hanggang sa dati kasi nagtatrabaho ako dito sa sa Makati, dito sa may Greenbelt.
Anong trabaho mo naman dati?
Dati po akong nagtatrabaho sa BPO. So,
BPO.
opo, sa
Agent.
recruitment po ako ng BPO. So, I always pass by dito sa may Makati area. Meron kasi dong perfume seller ng mga essence oil.
Fragonard.
Nakalimutan ko kung
Fragonard.
Oo.
Fragonard is a place in France na talagang yun yung sender ng perfumes. Lahat ng mga branded from Christian Dior, Chanel, which is very expensive, Louis Vuitton,
LV.
doon nagpapagawa. Because they do
Fragonard.
not make their own perfumes. Pinapagawa doon sa Fragonard. So, if you go to Fragonard, makikita mo yung fields nila planted with a lot of lavender.
Lavender.
Kasi sa Europe, lavender is one of the most fragrant flowers. Diba? So, yan yung nadadaanan mo.
Yes, yes. So sabi ko, one of these days, magkakaroon ako ng sarili kong perfume brand.
Pinangarap mo.
Pinangarap ko po, syempre. And then 2022, one evening, na-realize ko na, okay, sige, ready na ako.
2022.
2022, during pandemic time, so I started calling my mom, my siblings, mga kamag-anak ko.
Na-ready ka na.
Oo, and I was asking them to support me. And sabi na, sige, supportahan ka namin. So, technically po,
So, isipin mo, 8 taong ka natulog, tapos 2022, nagising ka.
Ang tagal
at
mo.
pagkagising ko, gusto ko nang magpabango.
Magpabango.
Okay, so, siyempre, wala ka pang experience niyan, no? But 8 years naman, yung 8 years
Nag-aaral
naman,
na.
siguro, nagre-research ka.
Yes po. Yes, totoo po. Yung 7 years po na bago ko mag-start ng perfume, it was really more on research, more on reading, looking for suppliers, looking for inspiration, the history of perfume, how it really started. Kaya noong 2022 po, somehow, nung nag-decide na ako na gusto ko ng mag-negosyo, I already know the direction that I really wanted to take.
So, yun. Okay, so how did you start? Kasi research lang. Siyempre, kailangan magkakaroon din ng laboratory para na
Yes
sa
po.
ganon ay magtitimpla-timpla ka,
Formulate,
a little of
oo.
this, a little of
Yes.
that, a little of this.
Actually,
so,
kung-
nag-seminar ka ba?
Yes po. Ang unang-unang agenda po talaga namin doon is nag-take kami ng crash course ng paggawa ng perfume. So, from there, nagsimula po kaming mag-purchase ng mga small batches ng mga essential oils. And doon po kami nagsimulang mag-mix. So, yung cousins ko po, siya po yung perfumer ko ngayon. So, yung cousins ko at saka yung isang pinsan ko pa, we attended the seminar, and right after the seminar, pinag-usapan namin, inaral namin yung wheel of fragrances, tapos nag-set kami ng mga profile kung ano yung mga target market na gusto naming i-reach. And then from there, nag-develop kami ng sarili naming mga scents.
Ayan.
Sarili.
So,
Yes,
sa sarili.
own formulation namin.
iba-iba kasi yung men's. Merong men's. Merong ladies. Merong all-purpose.
Unisex.
Okay. Pagdating ng men's, kailangan spicy yan. Or
Yes, correct.
spicy, woody, or leathery.
Correct, correct.
Diba?
Pag
Pagdating
women-
naman sa women, kailangan maganda.
Sweet.
Flowery.
Flowery.
Maganda at
powdery,
saka flowery.
At saka velvety. Yan. Okay. So, ang hirap kasi i-determine yan. No? Like for example, okay, you start with the men's perfume. Ang category kasi niyan, di ba? Okay, you have the cologne, which is 10 to 15%.
Yes.
And then, you have the eau de toilette.
You the toilet.
Correct.
Okay?
Then, eau de parfum.
Eau de parfum, and then parfum.
Yes, correct.
So, nag-range yan sa, sa 10 to 15, and then 15 to 20%, 20 to 25, 35 to 40%. Yun yung parfum.
Yes po.
Percentage yan. Ibig sabihin, ito yung essential oils.
Yes, correct. So our products po is actually parfum. So our premium products are Extra Parfum, and our limited edition is actually a perfume. So that one is 30% oil concentration.
Oh, wow.
So the premium products po are 40% oil concentration.
So, saan ka bumibili ng essential oil? Kasi if you buy it here, they're very expensive.
Very expensive
Ang
po.
oil kasi ranges from $10 to $20 or even $50.
Uy.
Or even more. Like for example, bibili ka ng agar-agar. Wow.
Very expensive.
Prohibitive na yan. Yung presyo na yan. So these are the expensive ones. Another expensive na essential oil ay yung mga Jordanian rose.
Jordanian.
Yes. Mga leather, yan, mga mahal.
Mga
mahal po
leather.
na-
From the animal naman yun.
Oo.
So,
Yes.
hindi lang from the tree, from the animals, and then from the flowers.
Yes, yes.
And yung iba naman from the leaves, like rosemary.
Rose.
Yes, yes, mga
So, saan
spices.
po kayo kumukuha?
Well, nung nag-start po kami, ang sole supplier po talaga namin is a local supplier dito sa Philippines na nagbebenta ng essence oil. But their products is actually coming from France, so imported from France. But recently, dahil nag-a-advance na yung way of mixing ng perfume namin, we are now starting to source for fragrances or essential oils from other geos. So ngayon meron na kaming supplies coming directly from India.
Yeah.
India.
That's where I
So,
get my
perfume
essences.
essences, yeah.
Ang India is the cheapest source of essential oil. In fact, sa totoo lang, yung sa Europe, galing sa India, nire-replac lang nila.
Yes.
So,
True.
pag sinabi mo galing sa France, expensive. Pero galing sa
Sa
India
India
yun.
din.
Nandun kasi yung mga plantation ko ng mga
Essentials.
tawag nito for example ng mga ng
Jasmine,
sapagita, jasmine, roses, so they have a very huge plantation in India.
Kaya
So,
mura.
siyempre, maliit pa yung volume mo. Siguro
Yes
pag
po.
lumaki na yung volume mo, I teach you how to extract essential oil.
Yes, please. I'll be very excited.
May training kay Kong.
It's not a very expensive machine. It's just by distillation. So, marami naman ditong rosemary. Pwede kang mag-extract ng rosemary rito. Maraming lemongrass. Alam mo yung lemongrass?
Yes.
Tanglad yan.
Tanglad, yes.
So, you can extract it
Mabango
here.
yan.
And then yung mga wild na mga oregano,
Oregano.
Yes.
herbaboyna.
Herbaboyna.
Yeah.
You can extract herbal, panglalaki yon. And then, of course, yung lemon peel.
Yep.
Yung lemon peel is another source of spicy. Kaya lang pag sinasabi mo mga lemon, mga terpenes, top notes yun eh.
Yes,
Madaling
correct.
mawala.
Correct.
Madaling kasi highly volatile yun eh.
Yes, correct.
Madaling
Masyadong magaan yung
mag-evaporate.
yung
Amoy.
yung chemical compound nila is very easy. Very light. That's why mabilis silang mag-evaporate.
Mawala.
Yes.
So, okay. Ang perfume, di ba yung perfume merong base note, then mid note, and then top
Top
note.
notes. Yes.
Yung base note, ito yung mga woody.
The heavier ones.
like birds, like tawag nito. Basta mga
Cedarwood.
Cedarwood.
Yeah.
Yung mga agar. Mga base yan.
Yep.
Even yung cinnamon.
Yes.
Base load yan. And then, lalagyan mo ng mid notes. May mga mid notes na mga flowers, may mga
Usually
mid notes na mga
flowers,
spices
yes.
din. And then, lalagyan mo ng top notes. So, pag in-spray mo yan, bangong-bango ka. And then, pag
Yes.
nag-evaporate na yung top notes, iba na yung bango mo.
Yes. Correct.
So, pag
correct.
nag-evaporate pa rin talaga yung base note, ikaw na yon. Amoy mo na
Skin
yon.
scent na.
Likas na amoy mo na.
Oo, likas na amoy na. Ayun.
Natawa yung ating mga guests.
So ngayon po, ilan po yung essential oils natin?
No, yung perfumes.
Currently po, yung existing product namin na already out in the market is already 12. So we have 6 for our premium brand line, and we have 6 for our limited
6.
edition. And then we have 16 new scents na we are about to launch this coming end of the month or first week of May. So thank you for having us. So this is a very good opportunity to promote our new products.
So, ano yung bestseller mo ngayon?
Ang best seller po namin is Stefan po sa aming premium
Can we see
line.
and then can I smell it?
Oh, yes sir, of course. So this
See,
one
Ay, ito
is
na.
Stefan. Ayan, sandali lang kong ha.
Stepan. Si Stepan yung singer.
Stefan.
Yeah, so actually yung names ng mga perfume namin inspired to ng mga investors namin. So Stefan is actually my nephew. So yan po yung bestseller namin. By the way, kung yung lahat po ng Sense and Style is actually known for its fresh formulation.
Spicy ito A bit spicy.
Kung ang sharp ng nose mo. So, yes, that's a combination of fresh, aquatic, and soft spicy. So, yan po yung mga accords ng Estefan.
Ang ganda po ng bote, kaya akala
So,
ko...
Thank you.
Tingin ko ito, pwede itong for men and women.
Yes, correct.
But
Stefan?
if you'll ask me, I'll use this for men.
Thank you po.
Because a vegetable needs a spice.
Yes, correct.
Uy.
Oo. To make it more oozing, right?
Diba?
Next, next sa bestseller.
Ang best seller naman po namin sa babae is Sophia.
Si Sophia.
Yes, si Sophia. Si
Sophia
Sophia naman.
Loren.
Hindi, investor ko. Investor.
Mag-invest
So,
na lang ako para may boots.
Opo, yun nga eh.
Alam mo, kung gawin natin yan.
Talagang mag-invest ako.
Oh my God, kung baka maniwala ako
ang ganda ng pabango, Butch. Si Sophia.
one is Sophia.
Si Kung po ang mag-aamoy.
Sige.
Here, I'll give you one.
Sophia ito, no?
Yes po. So, Sophia is a well-blended scent, walang piercing notes. I think the reason why Filipino people really love Sophia is because it is very fresh. So, hindi siya headache-inducing. And when we create our perfume, we always make sure na it will really complement yung weather natin sa Philippines. Isa yun sa primary consideration namin when we are creating our formulations. So, dapat hindi siya masakit sa ulo, dapat nagko-complement siya sa init ng panahon. Sobrang
Pawis
init
friendly.
ngayon. Yes, pawis friendly. So, si Stefan po, yan talagang dinesign namin yan for someone who's really working off-site, laging nagpapawis, very physically active. That's why we formulated it as fresh as it could be.
Very woody.
Si Sophia.
Yes. Yung isa po sa mga accords ng Sophia natin is soft, spicy, and woody.
Woody.
Yes. In fairness, kung ang sharp ng nose mo, ha, very impressive.
Ako nag-notes lang ako.
Yan, may sipon pa ako niyan.
So that is two of our best sellers. Pero ang best seller namin of all time is Sophia.
Sophia.
Si Sophia.
Oo. Pero ngayon out of stock si Stefan.
Very
So,
distinct Very distinct yung smell niya. You can't smell it in other perfume.
Thank you so
Own
much.
niya, original po talaga.
Yes. And we are very, very proud of it na gawang Pilipino, na original formulation.
Sa isang scent po, ilang buwan nyo inaaral? Ilang araw?
Naku, sobrang tagal po ng process.
Sa isa?
Sa isang scent. So, itong 16 cents namin na i-launch namin this coming towards end of this week or first week of May,
Okay.
it took us like 6 to 8 months to create yung buong collection na yun.
6 to 8.
Mahirap talaga because, kailangan it's a combination of so many fragrance
Yes.
para hindi mo ma-distinguish ngayon kung ano yung dominant. Kasi like for example, yung magnolia, ang bango niyan.
Yep.
Kung lalagyan mo ng magnolia, madaling gayahin yan. So kunyari, magnolia
Amoy
ito
na,
eh. So,
oo.
gagayahin
Sanay na.
Like sampagita, lagyan mo,
Sampagita to.
maraming sampagita. But you know what? You'll be surprised. Yung ilang-ilang, di ba mabango? Pero hindi ako nababanguhan pag ihalo mo sa perfume.
Pabango.
Iba yung amoy niya.
Si ilang-ilang po is actually one of the most expensive essence oil na floral na available dito sa market. If you are not into ilang-ilang, kung baka gusto mong alternative, si
Alam mo,
jasmine.
may mga magaganda. Like for example, yung gardenia. Rosal yan sa atin, rosal.
Rosal.
Yep.
Ang sarap ng bango niyan. Magnolia. Sobra yan. Hindi, sobrang bango niyan.
Hindi pa ako nakakita ng gardenia sa Philippines, pero hahanapin ko.
Rosal.
I mean, na-available na essence oil. Parang wala ko
Meron.
nakitang available.
Gardenia, napakabango ng gardenia.
Share nyo naman po yung supplier
Yun
nyo,
yung-
Kong.
Sige.
Gardenia.
Doon na ang alam ko, meron ng apart from ilang-ilang, kasi ilang-ilang is very very
Dito talaga.
original to Philippines.
Local.
Apart from that one is the Frangipani Frangipani essence oil. Kalachuchi. The Kalachuchi, Kalachuchi essence oil. So there's already an available essence oil na nakita ko sa market.
Yung kamya, ang tawag niyan, ginger flower.
Ginger, camia.
Kamiya.
Kamya. Mabango din yan.
Minsan visit kayo sa lab namin para
Saan
ma-experience nyo sa Antipolo,
Sa
nasa taas lang ng
Antipolo.
bahay namin yon. So, you guys get to experience yung lahat ng mga
Ayun,
purest
exciting.
form ng lahat ng mga essence oil. Yan.
Baka gagawa ako doon ng sariling scent.
Nako, Kong, we'll be excited.
Good.
Mag-prepare ka sa akin ng cheddar
cheddar.
essence.
We have that.
Birch tree.
Birch tree.
Wala pa kami niyan, pero kung magsa-schedule ka ahead of time, hahanapin ko for you.
Magano ng birch tree. And then, of course, yung lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
We have lemongrass.
Panglalaki
Yes.
yun, panglalaki. And then,
We have the spices essence oil. We have that one.
yung rosemary, lavender.
Yeah, we have that.
And then, ano pa bang magaganda? Jordanian rose.
Jordanian.
Meron kaming rose pero hindi Jordanian rose, but I'll look for
Magano ka
Jordanian
ng,
rose.
Jordanian rose kasi.
Pero alam mo kung nabasa ko yan, hindi ko alam kung ito yung nabasa ko or napanood ko sa nung nagre-research ako, because there is a specific type of rose na grown into specific location na they only harvest it on a specific month of the year
Yan,
para
yan.
ma-preserve
Season.
nila yung season para ma-preserve nila yung quality ng essence oil na gusto nilang i-extract. I'm not sure if that is
That's the
Jordanian.
one. Jordanian rose.
So, and that particular oil is really, really expensive. So, I think that's Jordanian.
Jordanian
I-recall
rose,
ko. Yes.
So, these are the popular scents.
Yes,
Ano,
correct.
Jordanian rose, and then you have the magnolia. Magnolia is quite expensive. Gardenia, lavender, rosemary.
Yeah, correct.
Yan,
correct.
available naman yan sa Amazon.
Yes. So, hopefully mas maging accessible yung tawag to yung mga supplies natin. Kasi minsan yan yung challenge namin. Mahirap talaga
Supplies.
maghanap ng quality na supply.
So, do you formulate your perfume and solvent?
Do we formulate our perfumes in solvent? The answer is yes. Our base po is alcohol.
Ethanol.
Yes, ethanol. Yes.
But please use the food grade ethanol. Kasi meron din dyan, yung iba ginagamit yung denatured
Denatured,
alcohol.
hindi
It's not healthy kasi in-spray mo eh. So, kailangan yung pure ethanol ang gamitin mo.
Ang gamit po namin right now, Kong, is yung USP grade.
Food grade.
Yeah, USP grade po na,
ethanol.
alcohol. Which is 96.4% ethanol.
Gano'n naman.
Yes.
Mamaya, papaamoy ko sa iyo yung 96. May 99% pero I don't recommend the 99%. 96% is okay.
Yes, yeah, 96.
Imimix mo naman yung ethanol sa tubig eh. Hindi naman yan pure ethanol.
Yeah, ethanol, yes.
Lalagyan mo
Correct,
naman ng
correct.
konting tubig yan.
Yeah.
Pwede na po ba naming malaman kung magkano ang ating mga pabangus?
Oo naman. So our premium scent is actually 4,000 pesos. Yung regular price ito is 4,000 pesos. Pero usually, nagkakaroon kami ng mga sale, nagkakaroon kami ng mga promotion. Yung last na anniversary namin, it went down to 62.25% off.
Ang laki.
So, from 4,000, we were only selling this one at 1,500.
Uy.
But because it was our
Anniversary.
first year anniversary, last March po yan. So, if I am not mistaken, my partner is there. Siya yung head ng operations namin. We have few items na naka 50% off ngayon sa aming online channels, sa mga online stores namin.
But tandaan nyo, you might say it's very expensive. 100 ml yan eh.
Oh, yes, correct. It's 100
Marami
ml.
to.
Yes.
Kung pupunta ka sa mga department stores, yung malaki nila is 50 ml. Yung iba 30 ml. Pero sila 100 ml.
Kaya
So,
ang laki.
in effect, kung talagang ilalagay yan sa 50 ml, that's only 2,000 pesos.
2,000.
Mura yan.
Mura.
Correct, correct.
So, sometimes people are misled. Mahal yan.
Oo, 4,000
Correct.
Pero pag
mahal.
titingnan mo, ilan? 100 ml.
100 ml.
So, dapat ganon.
Correct,
Ang
correct.
marketing mo. So, may mga bottles naman na 100 ml, 50 ml. Maglagay ka ng 50 ml, lalo na pag perfume. Tapos,
Yep.
instead na selling it at 2 pesos, gawin mo 2,005. Mas malaki yung tubo mo.
plan namin yan kung nag-iipon lang kami. So, medyo, kasi kung yung ano namin, if you will notice, yung bottle namin kasi, hindi siya typically like sticker. So, this one is really customized for our,
Silk
for
screen.
our- yeah.
Silk.
So, if I am not mistaken, that one is laser print.
Laser print.
Laser, silk screen.
Yeah.
Ah.
With the gold
Pag binili
top.
mo ito, kasama na ang print.
Yep. Yes, correct.
So, ang gagawin nila na lang is put the cap, fill
Yes.
it, put the cap, and then put it in a box. Lahat ba ng ano niyo may box? Lahat ng perfume?
Yes po. Yes po.
So,
Lahat
when
po.
you buy it, it goes with a box.
Yes, correct.
Ay, yung
correct.
box, mga 20 pesos na yan eh.
No, kung hindi, ito medyo mahal to. Kasi ito kung, I'm very proud to share this one ha.
Ito malaki.
Opo. Same lang yan kung. Ito po yung laman yan. Actually, pwede tayong mag-unboxing dito if you
Siguro
want.
Ay, unbox tayo.
If you buy that from China, baka abot
Ito
yan ng
kung
mga-
locally made tong box na to. So
Yan-
this
yan nga
one,
problema sa locally made, mahal eh.
well, that one is true. Pero syempre kung support natin yung yung
Pero
Support
hindi
local.
naman siguro dahil malaki yung volume mo.
hindi naman po.
Kung order ka siguro mga 500.
500.
Yes, 500.
Kaya ganon.
500
Orderan
pieces.
mo yan ng 5,000.
Baba.
Mas bababa pa po talaga
Bababa yan.
yung price.
Kaya tama ka, you need more investors.
Yes, correct,
Yes.
correct.
Kasi
Para
the more
mo-
investors you have,
The more perfume.
the better it becomes.
Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So when you guys
Wow.
remove
The ribbon.
the ribbon, ayan. So what's good with this brand is it's already gift ready. So you remove the tape. So this one is our seal. So if this one is broken,
That means
that
it's not
means-
fake.
Yes, correct.
fake na yung
It's
nasa
fake,
loob.
yes. And what you get will be a short write-up of our products. So nakalagay dyan yung background ng brand namin, our advocacies. So we have 3 major advocacies. So we have First Scent, so we love helping stray animals. We also have Love Scent, hashtag Love Scent. So we help small businesses and kids who are displaced. And we are also very big when it comes into sustainability. Ayan. Then you remove this one.
Nakabalot pa.
Yes. And that's when...
Maganda.
Yeah.
Alam mo,
So this is what you guys get inside of your perfume box.
okay. Napakaganda niyan.
Thank you.
Napakaganda. I think you have to come up with the smaller, kasi yung mga babae, gusto nila, very convenient. So, ilalagay ng
Yes,
sa
yes.
bag nila. Pag may nakikitang gwapo, mag-i-spray na yan. to attract that guy.
Meron kami kong naka 10 ml. Pero these are like our
Promo
big
items.
cans. Promo items po. So
promo.
if you don't want to commit with the full box of 100 ml, then you can get yung 10 ml namin.
10 ml.
I suggest make it smaller. Like, for example, 50 ml.
Yes po, yes.
Or kaya,
Definitely.
30 ml. Na it would be very convenient for every beautiful and
Handsome people.
guy to just get it from the bag.
Correct.
As spray. But ako kasi, I just use my perfume in the morning. Hanggang gabi na yon.
Hanggang gabi na.
So with your kind of quality, hindi na kailangan dalhin yan eh. Kasi itong quality mo will last, no?
Karamihan po kong ng feedback na nakukuha namin from our customers. Usually ang longevity ng perfume sa skin nila depende sa skin type, no, at saka sa body chemistry, would be from 5 to 8 hours. Pero sa damit kong proven 24 hours.
24.
Poros ang damit eh.
Yes.
Ngayon, tanong ko, anong ginagamit mo na fixative sa ethanol?
Baka ma-mispronounce ko, Hiluin. Hiluin. So, yan po yung fixative na gamit namin.
I'll give you a substitute na talagang food grade.
Okay po, sige po.
Mamaya na kasi baka malaman nila.
Sekreto ba natin yun ko?
Sekreto na natin yan.
Secret agreement.
And then, ako kasi, pag gumawa ako ng perfumers solvent, nilalagyan ko yan ng fixative.
Yep.
At saka,
DPG.
at saka meron akong nilalagay dyan na mga 5% na it will penetrate the pores.
Yes.
Pag mayroong nilagay mo na chemical that will penetrate the pores, then it will last for a long time. Kahit sa skin mo yan i-apply.
Kung i-share mo sa amin yan.
Of course.
I'll be very happy to learn that secret.
Because pag siyempre yung iba ilalagay dito, no? Kailangan aside from the fixative, kasi ang ethanol is highly volatile. So
Correct.
evaporate ka agad yun. But with the fixative, talagang ititira niya yung oil, essential oil, yung fragrance, at saka yung fixative. And then, pag sa skin, ipipenetrate pa ng chemical na ito, yung pores.
Yep.
So it will last for a long time.
Na-curious ako, Kong. I-share mo sa amin.
Mamaya. That is the purpose of our program naman. Yung program naman natin talaga ay to share whatever little knowledge that I have.
Kung sa segue lang ako ha, gusto kong i-take tong opportunity na to na magpasalamat on behalf of all local brand owners. Nagpapasalamat kami na there is a program like this na tumutulong sa mga small and medium businesses like us kasi actually creating your own business is very challenging, you know. And marami kaming mga challenges na na-encounter and your program is actually very, very helpful. So maraming salamat.
Thank you for trusting our program. At kami naman talagang ay handang tumulong. For example, kung may alam ako na hindi pa nyo na-i-apply, ibibigay ko talaga sa iyo yan.
Share that.
I will not keep it to myself because, we have to help every single Filipino. And
yes, please.
Out there, sa ating mga kababayan, itong sinasabi nila na 4,000 pesos, sa totoo lang, ang equivalent niyan ay aabot na yan ng mga 5,000 pesos or 8,000 pesos.
Yung halaga.
Yung halaga. Ang binibili kasi natin, karamihan is only 50 ml. Ito 100 ml.
100 ml.
And with the kind of materials that they are using, pang high-end talaga yan.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So even if you are going to sell it outside of the Philippines, I'm sure that a lot of people will appreciate that.
Yan ang next target namin, Kong. So,
then, pupunta rito si Pearl Parmalee. He's a Filipino based in the U.S. His advocacy is to promote Filipino products. Andres, make sure na makumbida natin sila.
Ay, thank you,
Si
thank
Ryan.
you. Maraming salamat po. Oh.
Sir Ryan, ano daw po itong may mga package na maliliit na bote? Isang set na po ba ito?
Yes, actually, this is our discovery set. So, let's also open this one.
Unbox?
So, yan yung 10 ml.
Yes, ito yung 10 ml natin. So, we sell this one ng box of 6. So, you choose kung ano yung 6 cents na gusto mong ilagay doon sa box. If I am not mistaken, Koala, that's how I call my partner. I'm sorry, guys. ang endearment namin ay Panda and Koala. This one is all female scents now. Yeah. So this one is all female scents. So this is how it looks like, guys.
Ganda.
Ayan.
Tanggalin natin para makita nila.
Yes. And like this.
For
So,
reseller, pwedeng sample.
Pwedeng reseller,
ang
pwedeng
ganda niyan.
sample. Yes. So, usually ang mga naghahanap ng mga 10 ml bottles are those people who are not really willing to do blind buy. So when we say blind buy, like they will purchase the product even without testing it. So if they don't want to do that, they will go for 10 ml first. They will try it first, and pag nakita nila na maganda, then they will commit to the 100 ml
Mali
bottle.
ka. Pag nakita na nagustuhan ng asawa or ng boyfriend, yun na yun.
Order na kaagad kong, di ba?
yun na.
Check out na.
Pag sinabi,
Oo.
sabi ng boyfriend, oh, ang bango na yan ah.
Parang mabango ka today.
Yan.
Edo yung Tuesday.
Alam mo,
Ay,
maganda.
Wednesday pala.
You just gave me an idea. That's a very good way to package our our marketing. So
Exactly.
Monday, Tuesday, hanggang Sunday.
Oo, 57 po yan, sir.
Today, I will be spicy.
Yes, yes.
Tomorrow, I'll be woody.
Pag
Or
medyo galit ka po.
I'll be velvety. Pagkatapos, pag Friday, I'll be flowery.
Ayun.
Ayan.
So, napakaganda ng ating
Magkano po
topic
ito?
ngayon.
So this one, ang regular price nito is 2,400. But hindi pa kasi namin to kung nilalabas in the market
okay.
So we don't proactively sell this one. But when people ask, we always give this one at 50% off.
So, kunyari yan, magkano?
This one is 2,400.
2,000. But 50%, 1,000 na lang yan.
1,200.
1,200.
Yes.
May butal pa talaga, no?
The packaging.
Tinuruan lang kita na pag ginawa mong 50 ml yan, don't sell it at 2. Sell it at 2.5. Ngayon, gagawin mo ng butal.
Wow.
So, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Alam mo, yung ating mga viewers and listeners, napaka-interesting po. Normally, ang makikita natin ng perfumes dito sa mga sa mga department store, mga low-end yun. But may nag-guest na rin kaming high-end. And today, itong guest natin, talagang mga original yung scent niya. These are actually studied, pinag-aralan
Matagal.
ng matagal. And then, hindi kasi ganun kadali eh. Kailangan kasi yung bango na makukuha mo ay hindi na-distinguish mo kung anong dominant doon.
Lamang.
So,
Dapat well blended.
patak-patak lang yan eh. Patak, isang patak nito, isang patak nito, isang patak nito. Probably sa notes, sa base note, gagawin mong 2 patak o 3 patak. So, ganun lang gumawa ng scent.
Yep.
And then, chamba-chamba rin yan.
Correct. Kung i-share ko lang yung cousin ko na gumagawa ng perfume. Wala talaga siyang formal background sa paggawa ng perfume. Ang talagang background niya ay pagmimix ng paint. So paint like wall painting ganon. At saka magaling siya magluto. Pero nung nag-meeting kami, naghahanap ako ng tao na pwedeng gumawa. Sabi ko, pwede ka. Kasi yung skills nandun eh. Iba lang yung medium na gagamitin mo. So, nag-training kami and so far, he created these amazing scents.
Ano pong name niya?
Can you
Si Glenn.
appreciate him in public?
Yes, I just want to greet.
I-acknowledge mo yung mga tao behind your product.
Thank you. So, I just want to say thank you so much to the Sense and Style family. So, first to my perfumer, my cousin, Caso Glenn Diaz po. maraming salamat. Thank you for these amazing scents and the success that you bring to us. Of course, my partner, si Kate Evan Dison, he's been...
Come. Join us.
Magpakita ka.
Para makita ka naman ng buong mundo.
So, kung siya yung
Ikaw yung partner.
siya yung operations person namin. Yan ang
Pull a
laging...
chair.
Yan ang laging nag-work.
Wow.
Para ma-deliver yung lahat ng mga deliveries namin on time. Yan. And then sa mga investors namin, sa lahat ng mga partners namin, sa family and friends namin na nag-support ng business, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng mga communities na tumulong sa amin nung nag-start kami, Fragcom, Fragrance, Kola help me. Perfume Collectors, PH, Fraghead, kung allow me to thank also other people, kung okay lang po. Yes, I'd also like to say thank you sa mga co-brand owners ko na nagke-create din ng sarili nilang perfume formula, own creations din nila. So we have Fragrances and Perfume by Sam. We also have 625 perfumes by Paul. We have Parfum Astra by Rochelle. We also have si Aliter. So they are selling naman different kinds of perfume. So there are new brands who just recently launched their new products, and they also created their own scents. So to Arcade Gauthier, to Amara, I know nag-guess nyo na sila dito, but
si Amara,
yes.
nag-guess na namin.
So Amara is
magaganda rin yung kanya, high-end.
Yes. So follower ako ni Amara.
Okay.
So I admire their work and their craftsmanship. Sino pa ba? Sobrang dami, si The Borg Grooming and Company. These are the brands that are creating their own scents, and I hope that your show, Kong and Miss Joanna, would really pave the way to get more support for these brands, because these brands are really have talented people who are really creating their perfume, like own version of Filipino-made perfumes.
Ayan.
Maraming salamat
I
po.
think you should band yourself together, no? And
Collaborate.
come up with an association of perfumers of the Philippines para nang sa ganun ay talagang matulungan natin.
Sinusubukan namin kung sana mag-meet yung mga schedule namin.
Subukan nyo.
Yes.
But anyway, ang dami ng mga
Comments.
Mga comments.
Ang comments po, ihatid na ni Andres Bonifacio Jr.
Yes! Good morning po, Kapra Pinoy, Kong Butch and Miss Joanna. Galing kay Erlinda Bachelor, Jennifer Casres Salobe, Catherine Montano, Charmaine Cutares, Monet Ortiz, Micah Borja, Romelin Uniso, Jennifer Gretchen Pandiling, Julio Luna, Jillian Baggio, and Jeline Rizaldo. Ayan. Okay, from Redmond Palmea, sa wakas makaka-comment na po ako.
This one
One
is
week
very
tune in and listening sa radio. Mercy Tagopa, watching from Davao Occidental. Maayong buntag sa tanan sa inyo. Aldren Garcia, watching from Cebu City. Maayong buntag mga pro-Pinoy. Liza May Aporbo, watching from Liloan, Cebu City. Maayong buntag. Regine Peralta, wow, perfect ang mga pabango na yan for gifts. Base pa lang sa packaging niya, parang long-lasting and super bango ng scent. Good luck po sa inyong business. Yana de la Cruz, branding pa lang nakakaengganyo ng bumili. Ask ko lang po, ano po yung bestseller nyo for women and men? Tsaka magkano po ang mga yan?
Kung actually hindi ko alam if
Yung Stephanie.
Stefano and Sophia.
Kaya lang out of stock kasi bestseller nga eh. Meron bang bestseller na hindi maubusan? Yan.
Okay, Camille Herrera, wow, for sure, mapangong mga yan. Curious lang po ako, Sir Ryan. Since mahirap at magastos ang pagpapatayo ng isang perfumery business, paano mo mo nakakamit ang consistency sa kalidad at amoy ng iyong mga produkto? Wow, parang pang Miss Universe na ano to Oo, yung question
That's
ito
a very good question.
Sige po, sir.
Well, actually, ang ginagawa namin is we produce on small batches. So since we are an artisan brand, so everything is really handcrafted. And when you are creating a perfume, it is very important that you really are keen into writing down details kasi dapat yung measurement mo exact.
Sakto.
So that's one way of making sure na yung quality ng fragrance mo will be consistent all throughout. Okay? And of course, there are certain standards and procedures that you follow to make sure that you maintain yung quality ng products. But nonetheless, you try to build kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, do not venture into bulk preparation or bulk production. Go on small batches because that would allow you to check kung nagkakaroon ba ng problema yung specific batch, and kung mayroong problema, then you will be able to address it.
Okay, very well said. Pasok sa top 10. Julia Mores, maski ako mahalaga talaga na may pabango ako lagi. Hindi ako sanay na wala akong pabango. Ask ko lang po, sir, sa dami ng mga pabango ngayon sa mundo, ano po yung pinagkaiba ninyo sa ibang nagtitinda ng mga perfumes? Long-lasting po ba yan? At magkano po ang mga yan, sir? Ayan.
Yeah, so our brand is special not because it is a perfume, but because of our advocacy. So kung tutusin, our brand is just the same as any other brand. It uses the same material, it uses the same essence oil. The only difference is that we created with love, with a lot of consideration to our fellow Filipino. We create it with pride dahil ito ay gawang Pilipino. And most importantly, we create it because we don't want to be rich or magkaroon ng maraming pera. We create it because we really wanted to give back to our community. So, yes, it is very long-lasting. If you guys are a member of any communities, I recommend you check yung mga communities na na-mention namin kanina. You guys would get to read feedback of our brand. So, may mga comments doon kong na we already have outperformed other designers brand, and that is very complimenting for a local brand like us. And when it comes into performance po, it still depends on your body chem, but typically it is between your 5 hours to 8 hours, but on clothes it is 24 hours or more.
Kay Sir
Okay.
Kayo po, para sa inyo, ano naman yung kaibahan sa iba?
Isa lang ang sagot.
Opo.
Isang kumpanya eh.
Market eh.
Baka magkaiba.
Baka meron pang iba from his perspective.
Baka magkaiba yung sagot.
Huwag mo iba.
Kinontra yung partner.
Actually, tama naman na nasabi naman na lahat ni Ryan yung
tama,
pinagkaiba nung
Ikaw talaga.
set us apart dun sa other competitors natin, and I'm really proud of our brand, especially with our advocacy. Ayun po.
Actually, meron pala akong idadagdag. One special thing that you'd be able to you'd be able to differentiate us from our competitor is our customer service experience. So when you shop with us, so it is a completely different experience. There has consultation. We provide you recommendations kung ano yung pabango na mag-fit for you. And the delivery, the after sale is really amazing. And that is because my partner has been working tirelessly for that.
Yeah.
Okay, eto. Very well said.
I think basically, you have a distinct fragrance.
Thank you.
That's why kakaiba kayo.
Yes.
Bakit yung iba? Kailangan namin ng Chanel. Why? Iba yung amoy ng Chanel. Gusto namin yung YSL.
LV.
Kasi iba yung smell ng YSL. Alam mo, nung araw, when I was a college student, first year college pa kami, yung lalaki, simple lang eh. Bibili kami ng Brut, English leather, at saka Juban. Yun lang. Yun lang ang pinipili.
Ngayon, ang dami na.
Napaka-iconic ng Jovan. Is that Jovan mask ako? Naku, napaka-iconic ng Jovan mask.
Yung Juban, matagal na talaga yan. Juban, English leather, wala na. I don't know, but I think Brut still existing, but yun yung mga sikat nung araw.
Mapabango.
Pero ngayon, wala na yan. They're out of the market.
May aunt ako na lagi niya sinasabi sa akin, gawa ka nga ng perfume na, nakamukha ng, kaamoy ng Giovanni Mas. Sabi ko, di inspired na yun.
Hindi original.
Hindi na original yun. Pero sobrang maraming natitrigger kasi na memories eh. So marami siyang good memories na na-associate sa Giovanni Mas.
Japan. Anyway, go ahead, Andres.
Okay! Kami ni Sir Alex, Bonbon Baby Colon, okay na kami. Alexander Nicole, ako rin po, pangarap ko rin makapagtayo ng perfumery business, kaso mahilig po talaga ako mag-try ng iba't ibang scents. Ask ko lang po, paano po ba madedetermine kung mabango ang isang bango? Ang gulo ng tanong na. Kasi, nalito ka, kasi mayroon daw mga pabango na masakit sa ilong at hindi consistent yung amoy.
Pag hindi sumakit sa ilong, mabango yan.
Yes, correct. Rule of thumb. Correct. I agree with Kong.
Normina Salen, ask ko lang po sir, ano po ba ang pinagkaiba ng cologne sa perfume? May mga perfume po kasi na hindi long-lasting. Tapos may cologne naman na long-lasting. Ano po ba yung main difference nila?
Hindi yun nakikinig.
Hindi nakinig.
Kanina sinabi ko, pag cologne, 10 to 15%. Pag UD toilet, kubeta yun.
Hindi ko, iba yun.
Pag UD toilet, mga 15 to 20%. UD parfum, 20 to 25. Pag parfum, 35 to 40%.
Yes, correct.
So, dapat nakinig kayo.
Yung Downy, long-lasting din yan.
Diba yun?
Evelyn Buton! Wow! Napakaraming sense naman ang pwedeng pagbilihan. Sana makabili ako niyan. Soon kasi mahilig ako sa mga perfume. Ask ko lang po, available na po ba kayo sa Shopee or online po? Available rin po ba kayo po, reseller?
Ayan.
Yes, we are available po sa lahat ng online platform. So we are on Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and Facebook. Pagdating po sa resellers, we have been looking for resellers, so we're very excited. Kung gusto nyo mag-resell, message nyo po kami, hanapin nyo po either ako or si Evan, then we will going to accommodate you. Let's talk business.
Ayan. And last, Justin Sarate. Parang sosyal ang datingan mo kapag ito ang gamit mo. Napaka-elegant tignan, tsaka mukhang long-lasting ang mga scents. Kudos po sa inyong mga business, Sir Vincent. Sana makabili ako niyan soon. Ang bilin mo, yung Andres. Gawa nila yan.
Yes, we have Andres in our collection.
Meron.
May luna.
Kagagawa lang nila.
Oh, you know, for Justin and for the rest of ng mga nag-comment. So reach out to us. We will give you a very special promo. Pro Pinoy promo. So reach out to us para ma-extend namin sa inyo yung Pro Pinoy promo.
Iyon.
Okay, back to Studio 2, Kong Butch and Miss Joanna!
Yes, dahil wala ng time, ibigay mo na muna kung sino ang nanalo. Ang kung pwedeng manalo na hulaan mo ang kapital ko.
Okay! Ang ating lucky caller from more than 900 viewers, yun yung last view ko, ay from, Bacolod City, JC Canieso!
Yeah.
Ayan, halabir, di mo maskara yan.
Good morning, JC.
JC, magandang umaga!
May umaga, sir. Good morning po, sir.
Okay, JC, hulaan mo na kung magkano ang kapital na ginamit nila Sir Ryan sa pagsisimula ng kanilang Sense and Style.
Ang aking una po, sir, ay 500,000 po, sir.
500,000 pesos! Makuha mo kaya ang 800 pesos, Joanna? Itanong mo na!
Sir Ryan, magkano po ang kapital?
Ang running capital namin ngayon is around...
No, when you started.
When we started,
yeah.
When we started, ang running capital namin is 385,000.
Uy! Naku!
500. Anong sabi ni JC?
500!
JC, kung hindi ka mananalo ngayon, bibili ako ng perfume para sa'yo.
Ay, wow!
Bakit panalo pa rin yun?
So, panalo
Mas
pa rin.
malaki yung panalo.
Oh, bibili ako ng perfume para ipadala ko sa iyo. Kaya, i-text mo na kung ano yung
Oy,
address mo.
congratulations, ha? JC.
Nakuha ko dahil Bacolod City.
Yes.
Yes.
Mamaya kukunin ni Atty. Lobea ang iyong mga contact details, ha? Bukas, 1,000 pesos na ang pwedeng mapadalo nandito sa Hulaan Mo ang Kapital Ko. Back to Studio 2, Kong Butch and Miss Joanna.
Iba ka matuwa kung 800 ang premyo, ginawa mo 4,000.
May discount naman eh.
May discount. Okay, Sir Ryan, ano po yung pwede niyong ma-import na message, inspirasyon, payo para sa mga gusto ring magtagumpay sa business?
Ang message ko to everyone who really wants to put up their business is one, find your passion. So you will really never go wrong in starting your business, especially if you are really doing it out of passion, because you will really never get tired of it. You know, when you start your business, along the way, there will be a lot of challenges that you will really encounter. And sometimes these challenges are really difficult to overcome, that would really cause you to think, you know, and think and stop doing it. But if you are passionate with the business that you would want to pursue, it would always take you back to the moment why you started it and why you really want to do your business. And it will take you back to the same energy, same enthusiasm nung nag-start ka ng business mo.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Galing.
Palapakan natin.
Yes, ayan. So, ang Sense and Style po sa Facebook, same name.
Yes, you guys can check out Sense and Style on Instagram, on Facebook, on Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. So if you guys have time, please message us so you guys can visit our lab. We are in Antipolo. Just message us. Let's arrange your visit so you guys get to experience how we really create perfume, and you guys get to see and try our fragrances.
Ayan. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po, Sir Ryan.
Maraming salamat.
Kuwala.
Thank you rin po. Thank you so much.
Thank you po, Naway. Nakapaghatid kaalaman at inspirasyon ng kwentong hatid ng Sense and Style ni Sir Ryan Rayos. Bukas tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa ating naglalagablab na Story of Nego Success. Dahil ang chatbot na inyong kinamamahaan at malaking tulong sa mga business, malalaman na natin ang konsepto ng pinagmulan. Ako pong muli si Joanna Luna, ang inyong kabalitaan sa mga pinakabagong pwede ninyong pagkakitaan.
Ako naman si Congressman Butch Pichay. Di kami titigil sa pagsuyod sa buong mundo ng mga kwentong kapupulutan ninyo ng inspirasyon, tips at techniques sa pagnenegosyo. Lagi ninyo kaming samahan, Lunes hanggang Biyernes from 9 to 10:30 in the morning, exclusive sa Radyo 1. Dito, Pinoy ang angat. Dito, Pinoy ang sikat. Dahil tayong lahat ay Pro Pinoy!
Pinoy, ito na